Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene. In today's video, we're going to do a haul skincare edition. So let's get started. First of all, I want to start off with items that I cleanse my face with. So I normally, whenever I wear my makeup, I love to use some type of cleansing balm. So one of my favorites is the Pharmacy. So I picked up this little kit. Every year when they have these out around the sales, I always pick up one of these sets because they normally do different scents around this time. So this one has peaches and clean, sweet apple clean, green clean, and honey vanilla clean. So I can never have enough of these. I love them. They really do a good job of removing my makeup. So absolutely love those. Highly recommend those from Pharmacy. Three other of my favorites cleansers are this Murad cleanser, the AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. Love that one. Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. I'm actually almost finished with this one in my, you should see this one coming up in my empties video coming up, because I actually am almost finished with that one. So that's the backup of that. And another one that I already ran out of, so I wanted to make sure I get another one that I love, is the Tropical Glow Cleanser from Kapari. So love all three of those. Another thing that I love to have on hand is, after I cleanse my face, is I normally do some type of treatment. So one of the things that I do every once in a while is from Ole Henrikse. It's the Fat Glow Facial. This does a good job of, it says instantly exfoliates and illuminates with PHAs and Nordic birch sap. So I like to alternate my exfoliators, my physical and chemical exfoliator. So this one is a good one that way. One of my all-time favorites, guys, is from the Sunday Riley line. I've been using Sunday Riley for years and years and years. So some of these other ones are within the last couple of years that I fell in love with, enjoy. But when I say years, I'm talking about close to 10, at least 10 years I've been using the Sunday Riley line. One of the things I always keep on hand is the Good Genes. They've changed the packaging on this over the years, but the name says it all. It does a great job of instantly, when I put it on my face, it instantly makes my face have more of a youthful appearance. I really love this one. Another one that's good is the Tarte Knockout. I think they have similar ingredients, but they're not in the same listing. But I think they were trying to do this, but not sure 100%. I do have those items and I do alternate that, but Good Genes hasn't never let me down. Love it. Will always continue to purchase that as long as they make it and they don't change the formula. So with that, I also love Luna. It's the night sleeping oil. Looks like this. This is a great, it says it's a sleeping night oil. Next generation retinoid oil reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. I always get compliments on my skin, have always for a long time. I suffered with acne and discoloration for a long time, especially during my teenage going into adulthood. So this stuff, the retinoid from the Good Genes, and the UFO, which I'm going to show you right now, the Acne Treatment Face Oil Ultra Clarifying. This stuff, all the combination of these items really, really did help my skin. So when I say I've been using this for years, I've been using this stuff for years. And anytime I have breakout or anything, right around this, especially around that time of the month, put this on It doesn't smell the best. I can say that it doesn't smell the best, but it has salicylic acid in it, and it says it's #1 face oil brand for a reason. It works. I can testify to that. One of my favorite vitamin C's, you guys already saw this in my empties, but it's the CEO vitamin C cream. I'm not going to go too much into that, but just showing you guys that how much I love this stuff. I already have my backup of that. And another one that I have not used as hard for as long as time as I use Luna, because this is a retinoid, but they came out with an A+ several years back. So I started using this one alternately as well. That's what it looks like in there. But this one is a retinoid ester. So it's an advanced strength retinoid serum. So you got the oil and this is the serum. So Luna is the oil, this is the serum. So you can be able to use that differently. One of the other things that I like to use as far as masks go is I love the Peter Thomas Roth mask. I know I recently just received their peeling gel in my lucky bag from Beautylish. I'm familiar with Peter Thomas Roth for some time. I buy these sets from Sephora when they come out during the holiday season, because that's the best time to get them on these deals. And I'll work my way through these depending on my mood and what my skin needs. Because they have these, it says one is for hydration, lifting and firming, enzymatic dermal surfacer, and a detox hydration one. So they have different masks for different reasons. So you can, whatever your skin needs at the time, absolutely use that. And while I'm on Peter Thomas Roth this year, I wanted to try their eye patches. I've never tried these before. Have you guys ever tried these? So I was curious. I do like the brand, so I say why not? It was a great deal, so you couldn't hurt it to try it. Something I always get from Sephora is the mask. So if you could ever find any of their mask deals, you know, I recommend those. I love their masks. You know, do a spa day with some friends, with your mate, whoever you like to do, or just by yourself. Just lay back and chill. Take a bath, get a bubble bath, get a little bit of wine or whatever, lay back and have your mask on. It's good times. So a couple of other things that I like, I'm over here reaching for it. One of my favorite moisturizers is from Belief. It's the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Since I have oily skin, this one is one of my favorites. I absolutely love this one. So that one had a double pack, so that was a good deal. And I love these sleeping lip masks from Laneige. So anytime I can grab those on a deal, I love picking those up. So that was a lot of items to go through, but it gives you an idea of what I like to use on my skin. I have oily skin. My pores are bigger around my nose and cheek areas, and I used to deal with discoloration from acne from back in the day. So those are things I've had to fight over the years, and keeping my pores cleansed out so that I don't develop any more issues with breakouts. But all of these items in one way, shape, or form has helped my skin over the years, especially the Sunday Riley collection. Really love those. Some of these other ones have become favorites over the years. So I will continue to repurchase those. Like I said, so long they continue to provide them, I can get good deals on them, and they don't change the formulations. Let me know what your guys' skincare is in the comments below, because I know everyone has their different things that they like to use. And this is by means not everything I ever tried or used. I do have other things in my collection, but these are the things that I have chosen to repurchase at this time. But that's everything I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.